Hey guys, how are you? Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can make your own lactose-free vegan cheese. All you need is a coffee machine and soy milk and some vinegar, and it's really easy to do. Now, what I've done is I've got soy milk in my jug here. I've filled it up, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to heat this up. I'm going to bring that up to about 80 degrees Celsius. Got my vinegar. And what I do is I add 150 milliliters of vinegar per liter, and that's right there. Then what you see instantly is you see your soy milk begin to curdle. I get a chinois and a chucks cloth, and then what I want to do is I want to strain the liquid out. So what you can see here is I've got my cheese, and it is currently straining through here, and we're going to leave that, and in about 2 minutes all the liquid will be strained out of that, and we'll be left with a nice ricotta. So what I've done here is I've strained my milk and vinegar mixture through a chucks cloth, and if you take a look, you'll see all the water is coming out of it, and all you're left with is milk solids at the end. And so I'm just going to mix that around just to speed the process up, because yeah. All right guys, so what I've got here is I've got my cheese. As you can see, it's separated between solids and water. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a couple of different things you can do with this to make a normal dish extraordinary. Now the first one is a sweet one, and this is something I would put on top of some vegan pancakes if I were to make them. It's something creamy and sweet. It's just some ricotta mixed with some raspberry coulis, and it's a great substitute for cream if you're looking for something on top of pancakes. The other one is something I'd do if I was to roast some pumpkin, and I say I was having just some big thick pumpkin, caramelized pumpkin steaks. What I'd do is get my ricotta, bit of balsamic glaze, bit of caramelized onion, mix it through, and that's going to be a perfect topping for any savory dish that you're doing. It's perfect. Whoa. That is cool. But like, if you taste this, you wouldn't know that it is a vegan substitute because it's just so creamy. All right, so here we go. That's two things you can do with your vegan ricotta. One sweet, one savory. Awesome.